Welcome to Electronics Lab. In this session, I am going to teach you how to use breadboard. Have you ever seen breadboard? Why breadboard is required? Yes, breadboard is a tool or a device which you can satisfy the connection. You can perform different connection. As you can observe, there are so many dots available. So you'll be doing the connection using that dot point. So there are 65 lines which are connected vertically that you can verify it. How about the segments of breadboard, various segments of breadboard? So as you can observe, the breadboard is divided into 4 segments. In the first segment, it is known as power line or it is power rail. See, it is very clear that these are the power rails. Correct, no? Similarly, please refer the bottom side. This is another power line. You can observe very clearly. This is your another power line. Next, let us go back. The center port. This is the first half of center port. This will be the second half of center port. There is a partition between these two center port that is known as center divider. That means the middle portion. Middle portion is also known as center port. Center port is divided by using center divider. These are the basic information. Moreover, you can see the top and bottom portion. This is your VCC. Correct. This will be the ground. Similarly, VCC and ground. VCC, we usually refer it as positive. We usually mention with the positive. Ground will be mentioned as negative. Positive and negative. Fine. I would like to add one more point. Please observe the diagram very carefully. This is a cross-sectional view of breadboard. Now let us look at the center portion. See, all the lines are interconnected inside the breadboard. See, like this. All the connections are interconnected vertically. If you connect at any point, it will be same only. Suppose whatever I am drawing now, you can see very clearly. Wherever I connect it, all will be under connection only. Understanding now? So, in this center portion, all vertical lines are connected each other. Here also there is a scenario, all vertical lines are connected each other. It is very clear. So that is why I am pointing out by using my marker like this. But there is a partition between B and C. Please refer the B portion and C portion. There is always a partition. If you want to interconnect B and C, what you are supposed to do? Take a wire, do the connection like this. You have to do the external connection. In the sense, use a wire and you can perform the connection. When it comes to A and D, so these are the topmost portion, right? A. So usually, the connection will be vertically. See, these are the connection like this. Connection will be done horizontal connection. These are the horizontal connection. Wherever I connect it, that will be same only. Same points. Correct? Positive. You can see this is your VCC. Assume that this is your VCC and this will be considered as ground. So wherever you connect the horizontal portion, that will be same only. Do understand that. Fine. If you remove the cover which is available in the breadboard, in the beside of the breadboard, the back portion of the breadboard, if you remove the cover now, you will be getting the points like this. It is just for your understanding purpose. See, all vertical lines you can see. If I connect anywhere, it is same only like this. Here, vertical connection. Do understand that these are all vertical connection. I can connect any point that will be same only in the vertical manner. Here also it is vertical only. See, vertical connection. Right? I hope you understood. I will tell you how to connect this. But if you look at the topmost portions, connection will be horizontal connection. Bottom also horizontal portion. One is considered as ground, another is considered as VCC. So same manner I interpreted, I have drawn by using a separate paper and I made a picture. And here you can see that these portion perform vertical connection. See, vertical connection, vertical. But here, this is horizontal. Horizontal connection. Here also horizontal. I think you got an idea. Any queries? If you are having any queries, please put up in the comment box. Let me clarify once again. I have explained the connection right now. Now I'll be asking you one question. I have one integrated circuit. I have one IC. This is your IC. You can see this is one of the integrated circuit. I'm not specifying that what kind of IC is this. Now tell me which connection is correct. We have two figure 1 and figure 2. I have provided you. Now please tell me which connection is correct. Now everybody can look at figure 2 first. Here what I have done? I have connected at the center portion only. In the center portion, what I did is the leg of the IC all connected at the same line. Am I right or not? See, all the legs are connected at the same line. What does it mean? So two legs are connected at the same point. It's similar to shorting or short circuiting 2 points. You are shorting the 2 points. Am I right or not? See, I already mentioned that these portions are same only, correct? No? If I connect anywhere, here, and this portion, everything will be same. It is as if it's just like a short circuit. If you do like this, your IC get burned out. So don't do like this. What you can do, use the partition. I already mentioned the partition. No, this is a partition, right? So what you can do is do connect in this fashion. So as everybody know that there is no connection between these two portions. Am I right or not? So what you can do is a few of the legs can be connected also. Left side leg, these are the left side. These are my left side. These are my right side. Left side you can connect at one portion of the center part. Then right side also you can connect other portion of the center part like this. So if you do like this, nothing will happen. Correct, no? IC will be connected in this fashion. I think you got my point. So your IC will be safer. So please go ahead with this procedure and don't go for this particular procedure. So this is completely wrong. This is wrong. So this is right. I think you got my point. Yes. Now please tell me whether the connections are correct or not. What is your opinion? Is it correct or not? Obviously, it's correct only. See, if these legs are connected to one portion of the middle portion, okay, and these legs are connected to another portion. Obviously, the connection is correct only. Fine. So I would like to recommend this connection. Any queries regarding this? So I would like to suggest this. This is right only. And if you look at this IC also, same thing I have done. Anyway, I made the IC such that few portion of the leg is at one part of center half and the remaining portion of the legs are at another portion of the center half. Correct. Can you tell me how to perform series and parallel connection? I think you already know what is a series connection and what is parallel connection. It is very clear, no? See, for the series connection, let us see the series connection first. First point of resistor, first point of first resistor, second point of the first resistor. This is your first point of second resistor. This is your second point of second resistor. The ending point of first resistor is connected to beginning point of another resistor. Am I right or not? Like that. See, you can start the connection at any point. Now, look at this point. See, first portion, second point, first portion, second point. So two resistors which are connected in cascade. So that means the second point of the first resistor is connected to the first point of another resistor. So definitely you can do the vertical connection. This vertical connection will be satisfied. This type of connections are called a series connection. Same manner. Look at this. First portion, second part, first part, second part. Ending of the first resistor portion is connected to beginning of another resistor part. So this is actually common terminal. I think it's clear to you. If I talk about the parallel connection, it is also known as back-to-back connection. First point of first resistor, second point of first resistor, first point of another resistor, second point of another resistor. So the beginning portion will be mutually connected back to back. The ending point will be also connected back to back. It is very clear now. Yeah, same manner. Please focus here. So I need to make out like this. So what is the conclusion? So I could make the first portion here, first portion of another resistor here, second portion of first resistor is here, second portion of second resistor is at this port. So that if here 1 and 1 connected each other, because vertical connection of 1 and 1 will be shorted. 2 and 2 also will be shorted. So I have represented in another fashion. See, look at the hole, how I connected. Vertical means the same now. All the points are same only. Vertical now. Yeah. So this is the way how to perform the parallel connection. So in this session, I discussed what is a breadboard and what are the importance of those dots, how the portions of partition, how about the partitions of breadboard, and what about the vertical connection, horizontal connection, all those things I discussed, how to perform series connection and parallel connection. If you are having any questions, please do put up in the comment box. I'm happy to answer. Happy learning. Have a good day.